Okay guys, this is a 2021 Tesla Model 3. Sends you from Real Deal Auto. It's a dual motor, long range, all-wheel drive, rebuilt title, damage was right here. Fender, suspension. It does have aftermarket Tesla wheels. Makes it look original. Black seats. All your different controls here. So it is like at 90% with 287 miles. That tells you it's probably about a 310 charge on the full battery. Autopilot, heated seats. So long range dual motor, 36,741 on the miles. Hardware 3, has an acceleration boost and standard connectivity. Traffic aware cruise control, all those package included. You can pay for the full self-drive subscription. So a few of the things that you can add on there. So navigation, all your different things they do. It does have a heated steering wheel. Teslas are pretty much the same, so charging cords are available. They are $300 for one plug. Another $50 for the second plug if you want a 110 and a 220. It's got good tires on it. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.